going to show you two ways to use split screen in Chrome. So if you're on a Chromebook, you can look for this gray space or the tab on top, the bar, click and hold down on your Chrome mouse pad, and then you're able to drag it around. In this case, I had to put it into window view. So I clicked on that one. Now I can drag it around. If you drag to the right-hand side, it will fill up the right-hand side of the screen. If you drag it to the left-hand side, it'll fill up the left-hand side of the screen. The other second way to do that, well, so first let's do that with Zoom and with if I had a Google Doc open, might look something like this. The second way to do that is if you hit this button here when it's maximized and click the mouse or the mouse pad and hold down. Now these two arrows show up. And so you can move it to the left by letting go, or you can move it to the right by moving your mouse over to the right-hand side. So these are just some ways that you can use split screen and hopefully be able to do a Zoom and work on some work or work in your Google Classroom.